Hello everyone, this is the presentation for Use Case 2, part of Group 5. So the first thing we're going to do is identify our organization's business initiatives. And by doing this, we see that creating an inclusive and diverse workplace where teammates can thrive, breaking down barriers to ensure that all communities have a chance to play and learn, and providing athletes with innovative, responsible products, and mitigating our environmental footprint as stewards of the planet. As we can see, we're trying to work inside of our business and outside. And so the certain business initiative we have chosen is creating an inclusive and diverse workplace where teammates can thrive. So the goals in place to do this are maintaining a median gender pay ratio of 100%, achieve 50% Black, Indigenous, and people of color and or women for entry-level hires for technology by 2025. So as we can see, this is one of our long-term goals also. Increase BIPOC representation in leadership roles by 30% by 2025. And we can see that increasing diversity representation on the board of directors and launch new recruiting procedures to drive a more diverse workplace with a focus on leadership positions. And our fourth one is increase overall representation of women in store leadership by 40% by 2025. And so a couple of our business entities, as we can see in human resources, is planning sector of human resources. And so this sector of human resources will be responsible for developing different strategies to ensure that the business initiative is met. And then so another thing is recruitment sector of the Human Resources Department, and this sector will provide focus on Dick's Sporting Goods hiring and development strategies, and by doing this, they will provide training for Dick's employees and attract and maintain an employee base that represents BIPOC and women. And the third one is learning and development sector of human resources, and as we can see, this sector will focus on Dick's Sporting Goods employee education strategies. And finally, number 4, industrial relations sector of human resources. And this sector will focus on Dick's Sporting Goods power our business strategies. And so through the business entity data analytics, as we can see, this entity will focus on the data side of Dick's Sporting Goods insight and analysis strategies, accompanied by the health and safety sector of human resources. And so for the policy advocate, this entity will focus on Dick's Sporting Goods civic action strategies. And so we can see the key decisions that need to be made is educate, and that will be part of the learning and development sector of human resources. And by doing this, we can provide teammates training and experiences, teach and train our communities, support teammates and families, training new employees when they are onboarded into the company, and training the people that are doing the hiring. So with the higher development section, we can broaden our leadership representation, increase the candidate pool, develop and resign talent, comply with zero tolerance / inclusion standards, and expand campus efforts. For the power of our business, we can provide inclusion through our national brand product, provide inclusion through our vertical brand product development, and provide field and ID partners. Promote supplier diversity, and by doing this, we've joined the National Minority Supplier Development Council and develop a minority bank investment initiative. And so with the civic action, we can advocate for policy, organize our team, mobilize our team. And insights and analysis, aggregate and analyze data, and promote teammate health and safety. So as we can see, we can commonly use these cases for such as educate. We can use these decisions on a regular basis by creating modules and training / education videos for employees to use. And HR can use this education decision to teach employees and communities on the importance of inclusion. For the hire and develop, we can hold daily team meetings to help bond and include everyone on a daily basis, create a big candidate pool and have inclusion when selecting certain employees for open positions, train employees on development and leadership skills, Power of business, relay our operations on inclusion to similar businesses and communities working outside of the DICS organization, and advocate for other companies to have inclusion during their hiring and promotion processes. Civic action, create meetings around creating a similar voice to make sure everyone is on the same page, and promote taking our organizational structure and practices outside of the workplace. Insights and analysis, we're going to create data to have an overview of our no tolerance. This will help us view any type of violation even on a daily basis. Have open doors in relation to helping with our employees' health and safety. So as we can see, these are the decisions that we are thinking of implementing, as we think that these will help build our no tolerance and minority hiring efforts. Thank you.